So my day was fine, and I did
Mm-hmm.
a nice job in the office and was very happy to meet you right now. So how was your day?
That's Yeah, it was really good. I got appreciation from client, so it was nice to me.
Okay, fantastic. Rohit, just
Yeah,
before proceeding for the classes, I wanted
yeah.
to know little about your work experience, kind of profile currently you are handling, and your education background.
Yes, yes. Yeah, actually, I did my MCA, Masters in Computer Application in 2012, and right now I'm working as a software tester, as a test engineer in a MNC. And right now I'm having 3 years experience, including manual testing and automation testing. And right now I'm wanted to switch myself into the Salesforce. I don't have really any idea about Salesforce, but some of my friends are working in a Salesforce as a developer. So one of my friend has suggested to me to switch on to Salesforce. It has bright future and good work and a good profile. So that is why I wanted to change myself into Salesforce.
Fantastic, Rohit. Very happy to hear all your experience. Uh, do you
Yes.
have a Java core Java gap background also?
Yes. I did because when I was working as a manual automation tester, I was using Selenium, and Selenium uses Java for its automation work. So I have knowledge, but I need to refresh myself. But it's not difficult to me because I have knowledge and I have interest in it.
Fantastic. So Rohit, just wanted to tell you, you wanted for a Salesforce consulting classes, right?
Hmm.
But
Actually, I'm looking for yeah. Actually, I'm looking for basically classes that can help me to clear my ADM 201 and Dev 401, as well as that can give me a, expertise in Salesforce, so that I can when I can certify it, I can jump into the job search.
exactly, Rohit. That was I was about to propose because directly going into
Yes.
Salesforce consulting will be very tough for you to grasp because without understanding the admin part and the little bit development part. Today
Yes. Sorry.
I was just about to, if I directly started with the class, it was a consulting class, and I'm sure you was not able to understand anything because
Yes. Definitely.
consulting starts after ADM 201. The first gate of a consulting starts from the after ADM 201 close.
Mm-hmm.
So I recommend you, let's, if you're interested in towards consulting side and towards a Salesforce profile, I recommend you, we will make a
Actually,
tailor-made
actually,
course for you.
Your voice is breaking now.
Is it fine now?
Yeah, now it's little bit better.
Yeah. So I was suggesting, I recommend you for a one tailor-made course in which we
Mm-hmm.
can have a Salesforce complete admin 201, normal admin, advanced admin, Dev
Mm-hmm.
201, basics about Dev 201. And once we will finish that, we will move
Mm-hmm.
into a consulting part where we can have a case studies, how
Mm-hmm.
exactly the different sales automation can be implemented, what are the
Mm-hmm.
different business challenges what companies is getting today and they wanted to implement through Salesforce,
Mm-hmm.
right? So first of all, for
Yes.
consulting knowledge, you need to have a Salesforce basic knowledge.
Mm-hmm.
And second, you need to have a basic understanding of a sales process, how exactly sales people work in a market, right? That's all about the
Okay.
sales.
Mm-hmm.
It is automating,
Mm-hmm.
increasing the efficiency of the sales representative who are working in a market. For example, for which client you are working for in your current
Uh,
organization?
it's insurance client. It's called Genworth in US.
Right. So you are working as a some in a testing profile. There must be some project manager.
Sorry.
There must be some project manager in this
Yes,
particular
definitely. Yes,
project.
definitely. Yes.
Right. So there must be one salesperson also who has brought the business to the company. Then company has assigned the project to your project manager. He has taken the resource on a various things like development, testing, and all the parameter, and you are working in a testing domain. My understanding
Yes.
is correct?
Yes. 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 Definitely.
So now you have to understand the part how this complete project brought to your organization. Who has brought that? Have you ever tried to thought who has brought this project to the company? So the person who has brought the project to the company is a salesperson. He
Yes.
has
Yes.
he has moved up over a road. He has visited to the client location multiple times. Might be he has taken a year time to bring this project to the company. Might be he has taken a 6 months to 4 months of time from the day he started discussing about the deal or this project with the client, and then finally after a month of a time a client confirmed, okay, we are selecting you as an implementation partner for this particular project. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
So moving into a Salesforce, we have to understand that process. We
Okay.
have to we have to get into their shoes, because if we are not going into their shoes, we are not able to understand their pain. And if you are not able to understand their pain, how you will increase the efficiency? You are not able to identify their pain, how you will remove it out. Correct?
Yes. 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 Correct.
So let me change the mode from only consulting. We will go with a admin plus consulting, right? Admin plus little bit dev part plus consulting, which will make you overall at least intermediate from my side into a Salesforce. Expertise you have to gain by yourself by doing case studies and practicing, right? None of the trainer can make you expert in any of the technology.
Yes. Yes.
So, but I'll give you the ladder in which you can climb and become expert. The more hungry
Okay.
you are for assignments, cases, project, I'll provide you that. Okay. So let me give you a little introduction about myself. Then we will proceed.
Yes. Yes.
So I'm a computer science engineer, and after that I have completed my information technology management from NITI Mumbai. After that, I'm working in a MNCs from last 4.5 years, and my all work experience is in Salesforce domain. I'm a senior business analyst in Salesforce, currently in a VMware. So, anything else you want to know apart from this?
No, no, it's okay.
Perfectly all right. So, should we begin the class?
Yes, yes.
Sounds good. So, Rohit, get everything. Have a glass of water, and we will begin.
Yeah, but Amit, your voice is breaking so much.
Okay, I don't know why. Sunny, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Sunny, Rohit is saying my voice is breaking.
Yeah, in between, yeah.
Okay, now it is fine.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not very bad, but when you know,
Yeah, it's not very bad, but
yeah. So so Rohit, if you miss out anything, you can ask him to repeat. He'll be more
yeah,
than.
definitely.
Okay, and Sunny just wanted to know, do we have a landline and we can get into a conference that will be better?
Unfortunately, I do not have a landline at my residence. So,
Okay, no worries. So we will begin in this way. Any clarification, Rohit, you have, just ask me. I will repeat from my side.
Yes, yes.
Don't hesitate. I am here only for you. So just stop me whenever you want and we will proceed.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. So as you are an MCA student, I'm sure you will be having a background about cloud computing. What is cloud computing? What is platform as a service? What is software as a service? What is
Yes,
infrastructure as a service, right?
yes, yes, yes.
So I want to cut that down. I'm not going to explain you what all these, because
Yes,
you are
yes,
already familiar of this. If you want,
yes.
I can explain, right? But
No, no,
if
it's okay, it's okay. I really know.
right, right. So that's a good part that you are having a IT background. So let's
Yes.
move to the second part of the prerequisite. Whatever currently you are seeing in my slides is a prerequisite of the Salesforce. Without this, no teacher can take you into Salesforce classes.
Okay.
If they are taking, they are doing injustice to you, right?
Okay.
It is like without knowing grammar, how can you frame the sentences?
Yes, definitely.
Right. So you understand the cloud part in which Salesforce as a complete product based on. It is a software as a service product offered by Salesforce company. Second prerequisite is sales process. That's what I discussed with you. Why you need to understand the pain point of a salespeople, right? If you understand their pain point, you are able to suggest the right way by which that pain point can be eradicated. So let's understand what is sales process. So have you ever got a chance to sell anything in the market? I'm not asking about the OLX or Quicker. Physically, have you been and interacted with any of the person and sold out anything till now in your life?
No, I didn't get a chance to do that.
Oh, okay, but I'm very sure you have a lot of chance to buy a lot of things from the market.
Yeah.
Right?
Finally, yes.
When anybody is selling, somebody is there to buy, right? And you understand the buyer cycle. Let's understand the buyer cycle. Suppose, which is your favorite card, Rohit?
Which is my favorite what?
Car.
It's currently Ford Figo Aspire.
Right. So suppose you want to buy a Ford Figo, whatever you have decided, what all things you will do to buy that, right? That the moment you thought of buying that particular car, and what all step you do, that all is called as buying process.
Okay.
And the moment you actually buy this is called, that point is called buying cycle. It starts from your thought and ending at particular time. That's the buying cycle. Suppose you thought on 14th of January that you want to buy a Ford Figo. Now you are actually buying it on a Diwali, that is on November. So your buying cycle is approximately of 9 to 10 months. Correct? Because a lot of things need to be discussed or taken care while buying these things, like color, specification, who is the vendor, what's the offer, all that. Correct?
Yes, definitely.
So now you tell me the complete buying process, and I will convert that what seller will do at that point of time. Okay? So I'm just moving to the part. Yeah. So let me come. So we are starting a buying cycle. Yes. And this side is mine, that is seller side. Okay. So today you have thought of purchasing a Ford Figo, or I say you have thought of purchasing a car. Okay.
Yes.
Now tell me what all things you will do to purchase it.
Firstly, I'll start to researching on my shortlisted cars on the net, and then I'll go for this showroom and take a test ride. And after that, I'll try to know the features about engine, about overall body, about external internal parts, and then I'll decide that I'll buy this car only. Then I'll try to get a money, and after that I'll go again time to the showroom and buy the car.
So if I have understood clearly, see whatever you have told me right now, I have tried to list it down. So my listing is correct or not?
Correct.
Right? You have said you will search for the information of all the cars. You will go to the showrooms which I have mentioned as a distributor. Then you said you will go for the specification. What are the different choice? Then you will finalize the specification. You will find out the budget, you will take a test drive, and actually you will purchase. Correct?
Yes.
So this is at very high level. Each thing will include lot of things. While searching information, might be you are getting in touch with your friends. You are getting, you are searching in a Google, right? You are getting in touch with the expert who is already having the car, all the different process of search information, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
If I'm talking about distributors, you will go to the sometimes online distributor who are giving the cars. You will go to the different showroom available at your place or nearby place. Not only one distributor, you can go to multiple distributors. Correct? When I'm saying for specification, you are looking for how much CC car, which color car, whether it is sedan car, MUV car, SUV car, every specification of here and there about car you will see, right? Then you will finalize one which fits your requirement. Correct? Then you will look for the budget. That budget may come from your salary bonus, may come from your savings, may come from your parents' pocket, may come from your borrowing, may come from the EMI. Correct? Your test drive you will take in all the showrooms and all the distributors wherever you are thinking that probably I'll buy from them. And then finally you will purchase from the showroom which you have decided and the particular model of the car.
Yes, yes.
Right? So this is the buying cycle. So you understand buying process so well. I'm very glad that you are able to list down every basic information about it. Let me ask from the seller side, how seller will react to this buying process? That is what actually our job to understand. That is the sales process. So seller, who is a distributor in this case, will not actually wait for you. He will try to find out the different way by which he can get in touch with you, right? He should not wait for you that you should come into a showroom. Unfortunately, he will try that he will pull you into a showroom by different ads, by different means, by different various means are that, right? But to get that done, first of all, he want to know who all are those person who has thought of purchasing a car, correct? If he will not find out the person who has thought of purchasing a car, he will never get them into his showroom.
Yes, yes.
So to find those person who has thought of purchasing a car is called prospect.
Okay.
So prospect means looking for the prospect who are having a intention to buy a car. I am using the word intention.
Okay.
Intention to buy a car. Not sure whether they will buy or not, but they are having the intention. Okay. The next stage, that from seller side, what I will try to do, I will try to get in touch with you by phone, by SMS, by templates, by your internet browsing, all different form of channel I will try to explore to get in touch with you. Let me give you another example. Have you ever searched anything on a Jabong, Flipkart or Amazon?
Yes, yes.
And you have find the similar ad in your Facebook profile.
Yeah, that is called, that is because of analytics technology.
Correct. That is because all the browsing histories has been saved in your cookies.
Yes, yes.
And from those cookies, they track that you are the prospect for them. So this is one way of getting the prospect. Second way, as your salary is going on one of the bank, if you have not signed the contract with the bank while creation of an account that do not share my mobile number, they will share your mobile number. And you will get a call for credit cards and other information. Correct? Hello? Rohit, are you there?
Hello, hello. Yes, yes, yes. I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah. So you are getting a lot of call for the credit cards, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So this is the second way of getting the prospect from the different third party like bank, insurance policy you have taken. They will take from there. They will take from the mobile company. They will take your mobile number and give you a cold call. Sir, are you looking for a car? Correct?
Correct, correct.
So these all is called a looking for the right prospect. The moment they will get in touch with you and you will respond to them. Mark my word, you will respond to them. Suppose I have sent you an SMS and you are saying, please let me know the more detail about this car. It means you are interested.
Yes.
And whenever you are responding to my SMS, to my emails, to my calls, you become my lead. Now you are no more prospect, you are one step ahead and you become my lead.
Okay.
Lead is actually you are having inclination to buy a car. In prospect you was having intention. In lead you are having inclination. Correct? Now what will happen? I will try to give you a lot of knowledge. See, here you have written search information, search for specification, correct? So now what I will tell you, sir, this is the car of 100cc and black in color and having fantastic mileage. Please try this, right? So these are information. I'll give you in Ford Figo, there are various model available. This is a hatchback model which is having a petrol capacity or diesel capacity of this much and that. Everything I will try to give you that information so that you can take decision faster whether you want to move or not.
Yes.
Because if I am not going to give you the information, you will get it from somewhere else and that will consume a lot of time for me also. Might be you are getting that information from internet in a week time. Right? If I'll give you, it's just a matter of half an hour during our discussion and giving you all the features required in a car. Correct? So, even by giving the information to you about the product, I am reducing the cycle time. Correct?
Correct.
So, by this, the moment you get convinced, okay, definitely I will need a car. That stage, then you are ready to buy a car, is called opportunity. So, opportunity is a stage where you are ready to buy a car and I, as a distributor, able to deliver you the car. Why I am saying I am able to deliver? Suppose you decided you are going for Ford Figo, right? But I am a distributor of Honda car and Hyundai car. So you are not my opportunity.
Yes.
Because you do not fall under my domain. Suppose I am a distributor of Ford car and yes, you have decided to go for the Ford Figo. It means whatever car you want to purchase, I am able to deliver that car. Correct?
Correct.
So this is called the opportunity where seller and buyer are in the same page. You and I are in the same platform. This is called opportunity. Right? Now, complete story of a sales is revolved around opportunity. The reason, if you are not my right opportunity, I will leave you. I will not get in touch with you further. I will say, sir, I am not a distributor of Figo. Please get in touch with right distributor. And conversation is closed.
Yes, definitely.
If you have decided. If you have doubt in a mind, then I'll try to convince you to go for Ford.
Correct.
So the moment you become my opportunity, everything is under opportunity. Now there are different stages under opportunity, which tells you what's the pain point of a sales representative. So first of all, whenever you go to the distributor in a showroom, so the showroom guy will give you a warm welcome. After that, he will ask, sir, what exactly you are looking for. Correct? Because he is not a magician or a god who will know your whatever you require without you tell to him. So he will ask. That stage when he is asking for your requirement is called RFI, request for information. So that stage when you are giving your details that I need a black color car, I need a sedan car, I need a 100cc car, I need a car which is having a power steering, everything you are giving about your requirement, right? So this may last for 1 day, this may last for 2 days, this may last for 1 week. Because suppose you discuss something today, you went back to your home, discussed with your family, said you should have an airbag also. And you are now calling back to the person and saying that I need airbag also. Correct?
Correct, correct.
To finalize all these requirements may take some time, and during that time, this opportunity is at RFI stage. Okay. Now, once you finalize the requirement, the seller will start making a quote for you, right? According to your requirement, he will trying to give a right proposal to you. Correct?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Request for proposal. Suppose you are interacting with the 5 different students. Okay? Now, Mr. A is offering you the car which you required, Ford Figo, on 10 lakh with 3 years of free servicing.
Yes.
Okay? Mr. B is offering you on 11 lakh, 4 years of free servicing. Mr. C is offering you on 9 lakh plus 1 year of free servicing. And Mr. D is offering you on 10 lakh and 4 years of free servicing. Right? So these are the different proposal you are getting. Okay? Now, what will you do? You will start comparing. So tell me, out of these 4, which 2 you want to proceed with?
I would go with C option because it's giving me 9 lakh with a 1 service and 1 lakh discounted.
Second?
Second one is 10 lakh 4 service.
10 lakh and 4 years. So see, now what you have done, you have shortlisted 2 distributors who can deliver you the choice of your car. Correct?
Yes.
This stage is called shortlisted. Okay? This stage is shortlisted stage. Because you have shortlisted few of the distributor out of all the distributor available in the market.
Yes.
Now what will happen? You will interact with both of them. Okay, give me a test drive for your car, how exactly it is, correct? So you will take test drive from both of them. Now, the term which we Indian never leave, what is that? What you will do? Suppose you like both the car is same. What you will do with them?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Now I'm saying you have taken a test drive from both C and D.
Okay.
And you are very happy with cars they are offering to you. It is of your choice. Now what thing you will do which we Indian never leave?
I try to negotiate more.
Exactly. I was looking for that word, negotiation. Whatever
we Indians always trying to negotiate.
Exactly, exactly. So this stage is called negotiation. Right? This negotiation may last for 1 day, may last for 1 week, may last for 1 month. How much time you are taking to bargain, right? So during this time, this opportunity is called as negotiation stage.
Yes.
Now your final offer is that Mr. C is offering you on 8 lakh with 1 year of servicing, and Mr. D is offering you on 10 lakh but 5 years of free servicing. This was the final offer given by C and D. There is no further negotiation left. Which one you want to go with? So tell me which one you want to go with.
I would go for C.
8 lakh and 1 year of free servicing, right?
Yes, yes.
Because it is not worthy to spend 4 lakh every year for extra servicing. So right choice you have made. C, which is got finalized by you.
Yes.
Correct? So what happened to D? D has lost the opportunity.
Yes, yes.
He was having a chance to sell you a car, but because of the high price, he lost the opportunity. And C actually won the opportunity, correct?
Yes, definitely.
Won with LOI. LOI means letter of intent, that is booking. First you will give a booking amount, correct?
Yes.
Then what will happen when you will actually pay the whole amount. Correct? These are the different stages of opportunity. Why it is important? Suppose tomorrow you are working as a salesperson and your CEO is asking, hello Mr. Rohit, you was dealing with Mr. Sundar, who is the CEO of a Google, regarding the BMW sale. What is the stage of that particular deal? What you will tell if you don't have any stage? Correct? So if you have a stage, you can tell, okay, I am in that deal at particular shortlisting stage. Mr. Sundar has shortlisted me. Let's see, now there are 3 competitors from whom he will select one car. If you are at negotiation stage, you can say he is negotiating with us for a discount rate of another 1 crore in BMW. Correct?
Yes, correct.
So these are the stages where the conversation of salespeople will happening. If you don't define them, how they will make a talk? How one person will convince to other person that at what stage particular opportunity is? It will give you a proper forecast. Forecasting means when this opportunity is going to be closed. It will take another 1 month. It will take another 2 months, like that. Suppose if you are at RFI stage, person will say it will take another 3 months time to close, right?
Yes, definitely.
If you are at negotiation stage, he will say only 15 days to get this deal closed. So here they are predicting complete cycle and where you are exactly in that deal. So that is the sales process. That is a sales channel. But sales cycle is still not over. This is the sales process part. Now, once you won the order, what will happen? They will place the order, right? I will place the order in my manufacturing plant. They will start assembling the car. Once car is assembled, they will send it to the warehouse. Once it is received in a warehouse, they will send it to the distributor center. From distribution center, it will come to the showroom, and from showroom you will collect it, right?
Yes.
This cycle is called order processing. I'm not deeping down like an opportunity we have deep down a lot. Order I'm giving you a very high level. Okay?
Okay.
After you receive your car, what will happen? Suppose you are driving a car to one of your, are you married, Rohit?
Yes, I'm married.
Okay. So along with your wife, you are going in one of the family function. And suddenly one of your relative asks, wow, Rohit, what a fantastic car you have taken. How is this car? From whom you have taken? Now you will say 2 things. One, I have taken it from Mr. D. He will never go to him. He has faded me up. Whatever I was asking, he was never able to deliver it. You are complaining. You are not giving a right feedback. Right? Because you are frustrated during the whole process. But if you are saying, I have taken it from Mr. D, he is fantastic guy. I love to take another car from him. Whatever I thought, just given me in my home. I need not to go to the showroom every time. Right? This is a positive feedback. So this stage is called referral, for what I am looking for. So that to whom you are referring, I need not to follow this cycle, prospect and lead, because you have already given him the information. He will directly come to me as an opportunity. And my sales cycle is getting reduced because of my good CRM, good customer relationship, right? The parallel, let's see this particular thing. Sorry. Suppose you are driving a car with your wife and you find engine is not working properly. In the midway, it got some issue came and car got stopped. Now what you will do? Immediately you will call me. Amit, what is going on? This car is not even a 1 month old and engine got some issues. Right? This is called complaint. You are giving a complaint regarding the product I have given to you. So now, according to your complaint, I will send a technical person. He will inspect the car and he will say, sir, this car needs to be replaced with a new engine, or he will make some here and there, do something, and he will repair the engine.
Okay.
Out of two things he will do, and both the way your problem should be resolved. That's what you are looking for, right? That is called complaint, which is called as case. One case is for my company. So this is the overall complete high-level detail about the sales cycle, which you have to understand. Now suppose when you are implementing a Salesforce, your client says, I am losing my all opportunity at RFP stage. So immediately you will get to know whatever proposal that company is making was not up to the mark to the market level. That's why they are losing. Now your focus should how to improve the RFP. Correct? So this is the way we think for the solutions. Now let me recap for you. So this is the thing we have covered under sales process: prospecting, lead, opportunity, order, complaint, and feedback. Correct? Under prospecting is the how to identify the right prospect. Under lead, we discuss about how the lead is coming to the company. This we are seeing, it's an internal part of lead process. See, every person is not come to you. For example, if you are a lead in a Bangalore, then Pune sales will not call to you. Somebody from Bangalore only will call to you.
Yes, definitely.
That is called assignment. That company is assigning the lead to the right person. That's why it is written assignment. When we go on a further classes, we will deep dive into each process in detail.
Okay.
Next, we discuss about opportunity, different stages of opportunity. Next, we discuss about order, how the order will be received, prepared, dispatched, and delivered to you. We discuss about case, how you are going to complain, how the technical person will come, how he will resolve, and case will be closed. And then your feedback. One part, what is CSI? Can you guess?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
What is CSI mentioned under feedback? What is that? Can you guess?
CSI. No.
So it is continuous service improvement or customer satisfaction index.
Yes.
By which I am measuring your satisfaction level. So how it will happen? Suppose you are having a car with 1 year warranty, right? And have taken it from Mr. C. Now suppose no issue came in the car for whole 1 year. So you will not visit the showroom. You will not go to the service center again and again. Because no issue is coming, right? So suppose at the 1 month before your warranty period is getting expired, Mr. C is calling you. Hello, Mr. Rohit, how are you? I am Mr. C. And you are saying, who is C? I don't know. He will say, sir, you have taken a car from me a year back. You will say, yes, I recall you. Sorry. How are you? Right? This will happen because he is calling you after an year. And the moment he will say, sir, you have not visited to our service center, do you face any issue in a car or you are not facing it? And you will say, there is no issue in a car, it's a fantastic. So Mr. C will say, sir, if you face any issue, please call me directly or come to showroom. You have just 1 month left for the warranty. After that, it will be a chargeable service. So you will feel happy, right? Somebody is recalling you after an year and make you remember that only 1 month of service period is left. So this is called the way he is interacting with the client. He is increasing your customer satisfaction index, right? Next time to all your friends, you will refer him because he is so passionate about you. He is so caring about you. So this is the complete cycle what we are referring in a sales process. Any doubt, Rohit, in this part? Any doubt, Rohit, in this part? Sales process?
No. It's clear. It's clear.
Fantastic. So next part of the prerequisite of the Salesforce understanding is the CRM. What is CRM? Customer Relationship Management. So why we need to learn this? Because Salesforce is a CRM product. And if we don't know the domain, the moment you interact with the client, he will say, you don't know about the CRM and you are suggesting me Salesforce. Are you mad? Correct? First you understand the domain, then suggest me any product. So let's go through the CRM. So what you understand from the CRM, Rohit?
CRM, it's basically process by which we are interacting with the customer as per our business need and try to resolve all, try to improve, enhance our all business related things which are going on around the customer.
Fantastic, Rohit. I don't think you are a beginner. You already know about the domain.
Thank you.
Rohit, let me little add on something. As per whatever you said is absolutely fine. I just wanted to give it a one word. You have to delight a customer by any ways.
Yes.
Delight is very high level word. It is not good. It is not nice. It is delighted. Means absolutely up to the mark. Right? It means whatever you will do with a client, the way you interact with the client, the way you treat the client, the kind of word you are using while the conversation with the client, the free lunch you are offering to the client, the free movie ticket you are offering to the client, everything is CRM. Whatever thing you will do with the client from a prospecting to the actual sold of a product, single interaction, whether it's phone, email, one-to-one conversation, everything is CRM. Correct? Because if you delay in the response, CRM is not good.
Yeah.
But to delight a customer, you have to make sure you are not making mistake at any point of time. Right? And there are some basic theory. What's the benefit? Benefit, he will recommend you everywhere, and to whom he will recommend, your sales cycle will be much smaller.
Yes.
Correct? He will again come back to you whenever he want to buy a new car. So you are retaining the customer. Right? So all these things are improving your business value, improving your revenue. Right?
Yes.
So only one line benefit of the CRM is increased in the revenue by retaining a customer. Right?
Definitely.
But we consider CRM into a three different bucket. One is operational, second one is collaborative, and third one is analytical. So let me give you an example of the operational CRM. Suppose you are going for a dinner with your wife on your anniversary to your favorite restaurant. Okay? You are going into your favorite restaurant, not going into your wife's favorite restaurant. What will happen the moment you arrive there and you introduce your wife to their manager that she is my wife, we are here to celebrate our anniversary. Please let me know what best you can do for us. Because he knows you, right? So he will say, okay sir, please sit, this is your seat. And whatever order you are placing, he has taken a 1 hour time to deliver it to you. What your wife will say?
Definitely she will shout.
Correct, right? This is your favorite restaurant. And you said it is having awesome service. So anniversary will be on toss now.
Yes.
Now understand the second part. Your wife said, let's go to my favorite restaurant. The moment you get, she introduced you with the manager of that particular restaurant and said, he is Mr. Rohit, my husband. Today we are here to celebrate our anniversary. That manager said, Fantastic, ma'am. Congratulations to both of you. And we are glad to have you in our restaurant in this special occasion. And then he came immediately with you with one cake and said that this is complimentary because this is your anniversary today. Now how you will feel?
Definitely are delighted.
Right? So this is called operational CRM, where actual thing is not happening, but you are making him delighted by your process. You are not making a customer wait for 1 hour. You are delivering the things immediately. You have delivered a cake because you know cooking of a food will take some time. So you are engaging them.
Yes, yes.
So this is called operational CRM, where you are increasing the efficiency. Take the example of a Pizza Hut, deliver in 30 minutes. They have increased their operational efficiency so fast, they can cook any pizza in 30 minutes. Correct? Because they have done the prerequisite. They have already cut their vegetable. They have already their bread in ready place. The moment you say the topping, he will add, bake it and give it to you. Right? But if he will, the moment you will say, I need a topping, this one, and he start searching for that topping, he start cutting for that, he will start placing over the bread, it will take a lot of time. So this all process is operational.
Okay.
Second, collaborative. Have you ever called to the customer care of the mobile?
Yes.
And you will get a message. Please 1 for Hindi. Please press 2 for English. Press 9 for broadband. Press 10 for internet services. Right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And suppose you want to know about the broadband offering. You press 9. You are looking into and listening to the broadband information, and your query is resolved. Without interacting with a representative, you are getting your query resolved by automated messages. It's called collaborative CRM.
Okay.
Right? Basically, right, FAQ kind of thing. You are creating FAQ document for the UAT testers in your profile, right? So that he should not come back for everything. That is called collaborative CRM. The last one, which is analytical. Suppose your CEO asks you, give me last 5-year opportunity in which we have won the orders. And he said, analyze why we have won the order. After the lot of analysis.
Amit, sorry for interruption, but I am not getting you because your voice is breaking now.
Okay. So I am starting analytical CRM again.
Yes, yes.
Suppose your CEO is asking you, give me last 5-year opportunities in which we have won the order. Now, after analysis, you said, sir, our price in the market is less. That's why we are winning the orders. Correct? Now he said, please analyze the opportunity which we have lost. You analyzed and said, sir, because of our bad service, we are losing the opportunity. What will happen next? Your CEO will make the strategy. This year, my price should remain less and service should be improved. Correct?
Correct.
So, such kind of analysis is made on historical data. And this is called analytical CRM, where you are analyzing and giving some output. So Salesforce support operational and analytical CRM. It do not support collaborative CRM.
Okay.
So these are the basic definition which is mentioned in the screen. Once you are ready for the course, we will share all the PPT with you.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So now we are ready to move into an Salesforce training classes, actual training classes. So have you feel anything which you are not able to understand, Rohit?
No. Till now it's really good for me.
So if I assume if you have absorbed even a 60% of the today's class, I am sure you are going to be rock in a Salesforce, because this understanding is going to a backbone of complete classes going forward. Okay. And Salesforce is so easy, Rohit. Whatever you have understand lead, Whatever you have understand opportunity, customer means account. Everything in a Salesforce is object. You understand what is
Okay.
object, right?
Yeah, I know.
Object is the physical world entity which is converted into a software world. Correct? If you have opportunity object, it will give you all the behavior of opportunity process. If you are having lead object, it will give you all the behavior of lead object.
Correct, correct.
So this is the URL from where I request you to sign up into a Salesforce. Not today. Let's understand. I'll show you something then. If you want to proceed,
I have already signed in.
Perfect. You are already ahead in a class, Rohit.
Yes, yes. Actually,
So,
I was practicing it since 3 or 4 days.
fantastic, Rohit. I'm very happy to hear that, because normally students do not practice and they claim trainer that he has not taught anything. So definitely you have cleared your homework. Anything will not happen, it's my blame. So I'll take ownership of that part.
Yeah.
So if you have logged in into a Salesforce, let me
Hello.
so Rohit, you can see Salesforce screen in my you can see Salesforce environment in my screen.
Yes, yes.
So see, lead is there, account is there, opportunity is there, solution case is there, that is complete. Everything whatever we have discussed is captured in a form of object. Okay?
Standard objects. Yes.
This is called standard object. Absolutely. Suppose if some object is not present, we want to create object. What we call those objects?
Customized object.
Exactly, custom object. So everything of a Salesforce revolves around standard objects and custom objects. Okay. So let me know. Suppose, can you give example of some of the standard objects?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Can you name some of the standard objects in a Salesforce?
Yeah, it's sales, it's lead, it's opportunity, it's account, and etc.
Correct. This is all standard object which you see in my screen also, correct?
Yes, yes.
Now the more important is how these are related with each other. Without relationship, no process can be implemented.
Correct.
So tell me one thing, can I create opportunity without account?
Account, actually, I really don't have any idea what account
Forget about
consists.
Salesforce. Forget about
Sorry?
Salesforce.
Tell
me, can you have any business without client?
No, it's totally not.
Account is your client, business is your opportunity. So now tell me, can you create opportunity without account?
No.
Absolutely, because without client, no business exists.
Yes.
So, account creation is a prerequisite for opportunity creation. Right? Now tell me, can you interact with a client without any contact?
Definitely not.
It means that's the building of the company, right? If there is no person associated with you.
Yes.
Now tell me, can you create a contact without account?
Sorry?
Can you create contact without account?
No.
Absolutely. Now you are able to see the relationship, real world and Salesforce world?
Yes.
So this is the kind of relationship which we are going to learn from the next class onwards. Okay? Let me give you a little overview on that. We will cover all the aspects and basics of the Salesforce from every parameter, that is configuration, customization, development, consulting, processes, everything. If you want to dig down from anywhere internet, dig down, come back to me, I'll help you out. Okay? Second part, after every classes you will have an assignment and hands-on practice session. During the classes also I will give you the control and you have to perform all the navigation and hands-on practice. So that you will have a hands-on practice, else it will be just a one-way communication, right?
Okay.
Third thing, I will help you out in your resume design, how exactly the resume of a Salesforce person should look like, what are the key points should be written. Fourth thing, I will help you out in a mock interviews. I'll take your mock interviews and try to give you the interview questions because so I know which type of questions normally interviewer ask in a Salesforce. So that all support you will get from me and Sunny. So I am opening the floor for you. Ask me whatever doubt or clarification you have.
Firstly, I have a question regarding certification. Do you guys will provide me a certification guidance and any related study material?
Okay, so let me take to that point. So certification basically is not included in a training package. You have to separately apply for the certification.
That will I do. That will I do. I'm talking about assistance.
Yes. So if you are completing my complete course, I guarantee you will pass in the certification. One part. Second part, I'll give you the certification question. I will take you the mock certifications exam for you. You can go through it. You can come back, Amit. I'm not able to understand the type of question they are asking because they will ask you question. So all those assistance I will provide you. I'll give you the last 2-3 months questions which Salesforce has asked you. I'll give you the relevant link from the internet also from where you can practice for the certifications.
Okay.
And if you want to have a revision of complete certification course before taking a certification, I'll definitely do it for you 1 or 2 days, like a crash course.
Okay. Okay.
Anything
and
else,
one more
Rohit?
thing. Yeah, one more thing. As I said, I have 3 years experience in software testing, and right now I'm thinking about Salesforce. So, how it would be difficult to get a job being a 3 years of experienced person in a software testing, and now I wanted to change in job in Salesforce.
Yes. So Rohit, if you understand the Salesforce concept very well, suppose if I ask you, what is the difference between lead and opportunity? If you are able to
lead is
answer
a yes, definitely I can answer.
Yes. So if you're able to answer this, you're able to satisfy me. It means you are having good concept on the process part, right? In interview, we will not prepare your resume as a fresher. We will say you are pursuing the testing on a Salesforce domain only.
Okay.
Nobody
Okay.
is going to check that in which project you are working, right? You just need to present the interview questions. That we will do from our case studies. I'll give you the different cases where you have to do the hands-on development, and you will get to know, right, what all you need to test, what all things you are aware of. We will make your profile like you have already done the Salesforce from last 1 year, working in a testing domain of a Salesforce. So switching from that part is not very tough because you are already in a domain. You just want to switch the company now.
Yes.
So I will assist on you that part. If might be possible you will crack in 1 interview, might be possible you will not able to crack in 20 interviews. But don't hesitate to come back with me to me and ask the question, Amit, I was not able to answer this question in the interview. We will I'll help you in the answer. Next interview you are ready for that, right? That all we will do from our side.
Okay. And will you guys providing me development training also? So will this training program consist development concepts also?
So if you are asking about development course which is DEF 401, so that is already covered in our course approximately 40%. We are having one chapter which is called customization, where we will cover up 40% of the that certification. But if you want, I'll help you out in writing a code. No, we will not do that. To be open with you, we are not going in writing a coding and anything else. So 40% of the development is already covered, but depth knowledge of a development we will not.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, gotcha.
But if you want to have in-depth knowledge on that, I'll share a link with you different from where you can go after having a basic knowledge of a Salesforce. You can practice by yourself, and you will be able to learn. That's what I can promise. But if you want to expert in a coding,
so can you suggest me one thing? What are the career opportunities for Salesforce admin or consultant, and what are the career opportunities for developers?
Right. So see, suppose there are 100 jobs of a Salesforce in a market, right? So if you know only admin, you will able to apply out of 100 only 40 jobs. Okay.
Okay.
If you are knowing admin plus consulting, which we are covering in our course, you are able to apply for the 80% of the job.
Okay, that's cool.
If you are able to understand the admin plus development, again you are able to apply for 80% of the job.
Okay.
If you know only development, then you will able to apply for 50% of the job.
Okay.
And if you know all three, you know what percentage is.
Okay, got your point.
Yeah. So more the knowledge you are having, more the opportunity is waiting for you. So from my course, I guarantee that out of 100, you will get approximately 80 calls.
Okay.
And that you have to convert at least one, so that me and Sunny can feel proud that our student is getting a job because of our, along with our collaboration.
Yes, definitely I'll try to do that.
Perfect. Anything else, Rohit?
No, it's quite awesome. It was awesome training I have had. And one more thing, are you from north side, Amit?
Yes, I am from Madhya Pradesh.
Okay.
So I was there in Delhi for 3 years. I was there in Mumbai for 2 years. Now I came to Bangalore, and my native is Madhya Pradesh.
Oh. Yeah, previously I was working in Pune. Right now I'm in Delhi.
Oh, okay. So in Delhi I was working in HCL, but now I am working in a VMware.
Okay. That's cool. Okay.
So all details regarding the next classes you can discuss with Sunny. Hi Sunny, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, Sunny, floor is open for you. I'm done with my demo class.
Super.
So Sunny, can you please suggest me what training would be? I think it would be for 20 hours.
Well, it depends on the number of hours you're willing to spend. So it also depends on the trainer's availability. So Amit, could you tell, or can you, Rohit, specify your availability? Accordingly, Amit will tell you how many hours will it take.
Yeah, Rohit,
it would be on.
Rohit,
Sorry, go please.
So that question is basically for me. So Rohit, normally what I understood from your today's classes, your understanding and grasping is very nice. So if we go along with the class, I need approximately 25 to 30 hours to complete.
Okay.
If you are able to grasp it much faster, we can finish it off early also. But as of now,
I'm not in a hurry.
Right. So 25 to 30 hours.
Would it be on? So would it be on weekends or weekdays?
What day you want to prefer?
If it will be on weekdays, then I'll be available at morning to 7 to 10. Otherwise, week.
Fine. So matching with my time zone also. So we can go with the weekend in the morning 7 to 8 and like that classes. And if you want to cover in a weekdays also, accordingly we will plan. So whenever you and me are in a mutual thing, suppose someday you are not well, someday you are not feeling to get into a class because of something, we will, from our mutual understanding, we will reschedule the class.
Yes, definitely.
Overall, I required at least 25 to 30 hours to finish it off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then, Rohit, I'll call you on your cell.
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely.
Okay, so thank you so much, Mr. Amit, for your time, and I hope Rohit has enjoyed the session. It was quite informative, right?
Yes, a lot, a lot.
Okay, great, cool. So you guys have a good night, and I will update you, Mr. Amit, with the feedback.
Sure.
Okay, okay.
So,
Good
Amit,
night,
Bye,
Amit.
Rohit.
Good night.
Thanks,
Good
buddy.
night.
Bye.
Bye, bye.